What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Hey, we got this Kubota that I featured not long ago in a short, 161.3 hours. Anyways, I want y'all to hear this noise. Tell me what you think it is. Ready? Here we go. Sounds like a rod slapping around in there to me. What do you think? Damn it, boy. This is the one that had the melted dipstick. See that? Oh, yeah. Had the end of it beat off, didn't it? Yeah. Nice. Okay. Liking so. First start. Burn off all that old oil in that exhaust. Like it's shaking a lot. Kind of worries me that maybe that crankshaft is a little bit bent. That charging system's working. There was one magnet that was missed that had a little sliver that was broke off, but it wasn't enough to amount to any weight. I can show you the sliver. It wouldn't cause a vibration like that. Right here. Now you get more dirt stuck underneath the flywheel that could cause vibrations if that was the case. Anyway, that's first start. I know I didn't get it on video with the rebuild, but I was kind of in a rush, and I've been in a rush for a few months, but pardon the mess. These are the pieces that come out of it. I mean, just, wow, yeah. And there was a crack in the block somewhere. This stuff was beating around in there. But I got it sealed up, hopefully. Only time will tell. They're going to have to do better about maintenance, that's for sure. Anyway. like and sub, give it up a people. I'll catch you on the next one. I'll update you if anything changes on this.